1000 MCQ സീരീസ് വീഡിയോൻ്റെ പാർട്ട് 46 വീഡിയോ ആണിത്. അപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഡെലൂഷൻ ഓഫ് ബീയിങ് വോൾഫ്. The options are liability, lycanthropy, lunacy and lobotomy. And the answer is lycanthropy. In this delusion, the patient believes that he is wolf or some other non-human animal. The next question, in lead poisoning, irreversible side effects occur in. The options are nervous system, skeletal system, circulatory system and respiratory system. And the answer is nervous system. The next question, individual learn from his own mistakes. This statement is based on which learning theory? The options are instructive conditioning, classical conditioning, insight and trial and error. And the answer is trial and error. Next question, the acid used as a sedative in hypnotism. The options are formic acid, barbituric acid, carbonic acid and phosphoric acid. And the answer is barbituric acid. Next question, who is known as humanistic psychologist? The options are Carl Roger, Noam Chomsky, J.B. Watson and John Tooby. And the answer is Carl Roger. Next question, the theory of moral reasoning was given by. The options are Fenichel, Kohlberg, Kernberg and Kern. And the answer is Kohlberg. അപ്പോൾ കോൾബർഗിൻ്റെ തിയറി ഒന്ന് നോക്കി പോകാം. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് 3 ലെവൽസ് ആയിട്ടാണ്, പ്രീ കൺവെൻഷണൽ, കൺവെൻഷണൽ ആൻഡ് പോസ്റ്റ് കൺവെൻഷണൽ. പ്രീ കൺവെൻഷനിൽ വരുന്നത് 3 to 7 ഏജ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിലാണ്, സ്റ്റേജ് 1 ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റേജ് 2. ആൻഡ് കൺവെൻഷണൽ വരുന്നത് 18 to 13 ഇയേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ഏജിലാണ്. പോസ്റ്റ് കൺവെൻഷണൽ മീൻസ് അഡൽട്ട്ഹുഡ്. അങ്ങനെ 6 സ്റ്റേജസ് ആയിട്ടാണ് കോൾബർഗിൻ്റെ തിയറി ഓഫ് മോറൽ ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് പറയുന്നത്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് നോക്കിപ്പോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് റിച്ച് സോഴ്സ് ഓഫ് വൈറ്റമിൻ ഇ? The options are yellow yolk, meat, fresh vegetables and ghee. And the answer is fresh vegetables. Next question, the carbohydrate which cannot be hydrolyzed in human digestive system. The options are sucrose, starch, cellulose and lactose. And the answer is cellulose. Next question, the best enhance of iron absorption in body. The options are oxalic acid, ascorbic acid, phytic acid and tannins. And the answer is ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. The next question, the most important point in nursing care of a patient after tracheostomy. The options are administration of antibiotics, maintenance of intake and output, oxygen administration and suctioning. And the answer is suctioning. Next question, cause of ascites in cirrhosis of liver is. The options are generalized fluid imbalance, portal obstruction, potassium trouble and all of the above. And the answer is portal obstruction. The next question, Indira Awas Yojana is meant for which population? Options are semi-urban, rural, urban and rural and urban. And the answer is rural. Next question, principle of effective leadership is least likely to involve. The options are one group commanded by one leader, One group should always have an object. Accountability is delegated to the members of team. Patient first priority is applied. And answer is accountability is delegated to the members of team. Next question. Which of the following is the element of difference between community and society? The options are definitive locality, a person of group of persons, sentiment of oneness, and likeness of interest. And the answer is definitive locality. Next question. What does a society exclude? The options are time boundless, difference, reciprocity, and interdependence. And the answer is time boundless. Next question. Which committee was set up to see the general condition of nurse? The options are High Power Committee, Bohr Committee, Mudaliar Committee, and Mukherjee Committee. And the answer is High Power Committee. Next question. Which of the health education agencies at national level? The options are Press Information Bureau, Central Health Education Bureau, Doordarshan, and IES Bureau. And the answer is Central Health Education Bureau. Next question. Attributes of good leader involves which of the following? The options are aware of members' strength and weakness, suppresses the voice of dissent, don't hold accountability for wrongdoing, not sure about his or her skills. And the answer is aware of members' strength and weakness. The next question. Organogenesis occur in which trimester? The options are first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, and fourth trimester. And the answer is first trimester. Organogenesis means growth and differentiation of tissue into organs. അപ്പോൾ ഓർഗാനോജെനസിസ് നടക്കുന്നത് ഡ്യൂറിങ് സെക്കൻഡ് മന്ത് ഓഫ് ഇൻട്രൗട്രൈൻ ലൈഫിലാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 6 to 8 വീക്സിൽ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ദ എപ്പിഡമിക് ഔട്ട്ബ്രേക്ക് ഓഫ് ഡിസീസ് ഇൻ ബേർഡ് പോപ്പുലേഷൻ. The options are ensootic, epornithic, pandemic, and epizootic. And the answer is epornithic. ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.